This is a photo of Messi and his wife. I want Messi to wear a banana-shaped figurine shell. It's as easy as pie, just 1 second to change the outfit. If I want Elon Musk and Mr. Bean to hold a figurine together, it won't be difficult at all. It's a breeze. Next, there's an exciting scene from a Marvel movie. I want to make the environment around the characters more severe. How to do this? It's simple. Their determination in the heavy snowfall seems even stronger. For the Titanic scene, I want to recreate it from different angles. That's not hard either. Look, do you think these image modifications look natural? You wouldn't believe they were made with Photoshop. These changes are generated with an AI tool using just one command. The latest model from Google, Gemini 2.5 Flash, Nano Banana, has truly outperformed all AI image editors. All this magical editing was done by it. Let me give you a step-by-step demonstration. Open the Gemini website, then simply copy or upload the image you want to modify into the dialog box. Select the image creation section, input the command, "I want Messi to wear a banana outfit," then click Generate and wait a moment. Done. Wow, look at the image effect. I must say, it's incredibly natural and realistic. This image has no signs of being edited. This model is truly amazing. However, Nano Banana is only for image modifications and can't edit videos yet. But don't worry, I'll introduce you to a super fun and practical AI tool for video editing. Have you ever scrolled through TikTok or YouTube and stumbled upon those viral videos of face swapping that rack up millions of views? Just imagine Elon Musk participating in the filming of Iron Man, or dancing with Musk, Leonardo DiCaprio, and Mr. Bean together. There could even be a drag version of Mr. Bean dancing. It's simply unbelievable. Making such videos with AI is super easy. All it takes is one click and it's free.
Here we go.
Let me show you how. First, free download DreamVid from description below or search DreamVid on App Store and install it. Open DreamVid. Click the feature of face swap. Let's use a video of Superman and Mr. Bean as an example. First, we add the original video of Superman, then we customize it by replacing the face with Mr. Bean's face. After that, click to generate, wait a few seconds, and you'll have a perfect face swap video. It's absolutely amazing. Let's compare. Wow, it looks fantastic. Combining Superman with Mr. Bean's face creates a wonderfully bizarre chemistry. I have to say, Superman has an incredible physique. Try swapping in your own face too. Try swapping in your own face too. Of course, there are other features, such as AI kiss, AI hug, one-click outfit changing. The trend of transforming photos into Studio Ghibli style has taken off, and you can easily do it with DreamVid. Just upload your photo to DreamVid and click to generate. Wow, it really captures the essence of a Miyazaki film. Plus, it even has beautiful, movie-like dynamic effects, so stunning and natural. Similarly, if you want to see which two people hugging, just go to the main interface of the product and click on the hugging feature. Upload photos of Justin Bieber and Selena Gomez. Then click the button and you'll generate the image you want. And then you will get this. Of course, there are other features, such as one-click outfit changing, where you can select your desired outfit and generate it instantly. Countless interesting AI effects are waiting for you to explore. Most importantly, DreamVid is available for free. Free download DreamVid from description below now. Okay, that's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. If you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. See you next time.